Sarmast Poetry Official. Haq Ki Awaz.
I will sing to the Lord, my soul shall rejoice, for He is my strength, my shield and my voice. The waves may rise and the storm may roar, but my heart stands firm. He is my shore. The right hand of my Lord is glorious in might. It shatters the foe and scatters the night. With thunder and flame, with justice and grace, He rides through the heavens, His power in place. The Lord is a warrior, steadfast and bold. His banner is truth, His promise is gold. He breaks the bow and silences fear. His name is Yahweh, forever near. He leads me through fire, through shadow and sea, yet never forsakes, but walks with me. The right hand of my Lord, majestic and high, lifts me from sorrow and teaches me to fly. So I will sing to the Lord all my days. My heart and my breath shall echo His praise. For He is my refuge, my song and my flame. The Lord of hosts, Yahweh is His name.